the Good Vibes podcast. Hello, welcome one, welcome all.
Hello guys, welcome to the Good Vibes and Inshallah podcast. Yeah, here is just Good Vibes and Inshallah. So we decided that we are going to visit parks in Melbourne, and we are starting with the Knock. It's in Hume City, and it's in a place called Sunbury. All right. Yeah, so it's in a suburb called Sunbury. We are visiting. It was our first park. I don't know how many parks will we manage to visit, and we will be doing it when we are free. Okay. All right, thank you so much. Wakurugenzi wakuu, mko salama salamini? Leo tumesema wacha tuwapeleke walk na permanent. As you can see, huko kwote kuna inaitwa nini kwa Kiswahili? View inaitwa nini kwa Kiswahili?
Mandhari.
Ama
ni mandhari.
Mandhari ama mandhari?
I don't know.
So yeah, we are in a very beautiful place over here. It's a very beautiful park. You can come over and look at some things you will be interested in. Yeah, as you can see, it's in a bushy place, or is it a mountain or a valley? I don't know. There's something like a river here. Let's go and see it. And what do you have to tell people? Permanent?
It's a mountain.
Yeah? Is it a mountain or a valley or a river?
Mountain.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's like a river. Yeah. Did you guys went to do from Pararo? Yeah, so you can see now. It's a very long bridge over there. Hey, Madam Boss is there. Yeah. Look at the bridge. The rotten bridge is over there. And it's a very beautiful place. The parking lot is over there, and it's a very big bush. I don't know the name of the park. I'll go check it out when I go out. Then I'll let you guys know. Okay? Yeah. Our work is to explore. Yep. And I'll be taking you one-on-one. Let's see the rules and regulation of this park in the first place. You don't have to swim. Do not cross when flooded. No swimming, no diving. When the bridge is submerged, please contact. Oh yeah, all right. Hume City Council. So it's in Hume. So yeah. When it's flooded, call police. You don't have to cross when it's flooded. Yeah, you can be picked by helicopter in this other side when the river floods. Yep. Fair enough. It's a very big one. There are kangaroos here, I guess. But I wanted to swim. It's been long. Do you want to swim, Pele?
No.
Why don't you want to swim?
Ninaogelea tu kwa maji ya pool mimi.
Why? Don't you like swimming? What's some of your hobbies?
I can swimming.
What's your hobby?
Running.
So you're just writing swimming because they write swimming,
skating.
But skating? Do you know how to skate?
Okay, mimi najiongelea.
No, I'm just asking. Yeah. No, can you skate?
My hobbies are skating, swimming, running. Which one? I'm forgetting. Skydiving.
Yeah. What else?
What else can I do? I can.
What else can you do?
Endesha kitu ingine hapo kwa maji. It's called a jet ski.
A jet ski?
Yeah.
You don't know. You just went one time and you don't know how to use that shit.
Okay, mimi najiongelea ama.
The rules are the same, guys. No diving, no swimming.
Hobby. Like so, mimi naongelea my hobbies in life.
We have a very green place of Mutwet over here.
Yeah.
I think it's water hyacinth or algae. I don't even remember those things.
Hyacinth.
Yeah, what is that?
Hata si algae.
What's the name of this?
Ni kitu ingine fulani. Inakaa mbaya.
Very dirty water here. That's why they say there is no diving because of the bridge is very nice. Okay, but don't cross when flooded.
My hobbies.
Yeah, what are some of your hobbies?
So again, I also love nature. I love pets. I have a pet.
What's the name of your pet?
It's a It's a dog.
It's a dog?
It's not a German Shepherd. It's actually, I can't remember your nature because it's a mixed breed.
Hey, look at the other view, guys. I think we are going into the hill now. And this is the valley and this is the hill. It's like Chef Zero. So, what's the name of your pet?
My pet ni doggy. Inaitwa Rex.
Are you sure this is not jabberation?
Naambia story yangu.
All right, yeah.
So me, I love pets. I love animals. I was thinking of adopting a monkey.
Yeah.
Niliona msee mwingine anaishi na monkey.
Yeah.
Kwake. Then the monkey is like a baby.
Why do you like monkeys? Is it whole monkeys or different types of monkeys that you like?
Yes, niliona inakaa mtoto. It looks like a baby. But me, I cannot stand monkeys because I don't have patience.
What does monkeys like?
Sijui naruka tu. They like bananas.
So what makes you love monkeys?
I don't love monkeys.
Have you ever seen a monkey?
Yeah.
One-on-one?
Yeah.
Where? In Kitale Nature? Was it a tour or what?
Sinini.
Where?
Mingi ziko Kenya. Pale mingi, places mingi.
Yeah, guys, we are almost at the top of the mountain. It's not easy.
I need
I feel sophisticated like a island island. No, but I told you which shoes you are wearing then. You decided to pick these and you knew we were coming to the mountain. So guys, yeah.
I didn't even know where we were going, by the way.
Even me, I didn't know. I just Googled it and that was it. So, yeah, you can have a seat. There's no problem. But the sun is too hot. It's summer and...
it's not too hot. It's a wongo.
I can feel the heat.
Wongo, it's not too hot.
Yeah, you can look at the lower part, guys.
About your melanin is absorbing.
It has a very nice view.
Maybe it's your melanin.
Yeah, maybe it's my melanin. There are some grass here like ngano. Yeah.
What is ngano? Not everyone knows this from Ziwa.
It's like ngano. Wheat. So this grass stays like wheat.
Is what we use for chapati.
Yeah, wheat is what we use for even bread.
Chapati.
Sandwiches.
Chapati and bread.
Yeah, and bread. So, and people are living in the bush. Oh.
Got it?
Yeah,
see what in this store.
Oh, yeah.
But there's nyumba za wase, by the way. But I think wako na access kwingine from the road.
It's a very big place, guys.
Oh gosh.
I don't know who constructed this footpath. They really did a very good job.
Can I walk barefoot?
Yeah, you can walk barefoot. I also want to do that. Why? Oh, the mountain is mountaining, guys. And I think when you get to the top, then we will have a clear view of this park. Yeah, there is a fence place over there. Yep.
What do you think about animals kukua caged kwa nini? Places kama tuseme zoo. You know
in
how
a zoo?
Yeah.
Do you mean wild animals or domestic animals?
See, kwani unaweza cage ng'ombe zoo?
Oh, in a zoo? Yeah.
Okay, what
have you ever gone to Kitale Nature?
Yeah.
I think it's wrong because wild animals are meant not to be restricted. But then we have people like rangers who have responsibility over wild animals. So in case of anything, maybe a wild animal is injured or something, they need to be there to supervise it. So gauging has an advantage and it has a disadvantage.
Gauging. But I feel like nisi wanadamu tunafanya hivyo for our own.
How is it our benefit?
For our own recreational needs.
Yeah, on the other side it's on our advantage.
But I went to the zoo.
Yeah.
Unaona elephant.
Can you see the view, guys? It has a very nice view. Yeah. When did you go to the zoo?
The other day. So unaona elephant. Please don't interrupt me.
Yeah.
Unaona elephant ingine kubwa sana ina like a very big elephant, but iko na space kidogo. If you feel so sad for the animal, because tumewakage hapo kwa nini? Ndio tuende tuwaone. Si wanaweza kaa kwa free space.
But then
bado iko fenced.
So
the zoo wame split small sections.
The problem with you is that fencing them in small places is bad, but in a big place like maybe Savo East, is good.
It's okay, it's good because at least wanapata kutembea in a free space.
Yeah, sure. By the
wanaweza tafuta maji, they can do whatever they want.
Yeah.
Sasa hapo imagine space kama hii giraffe mbili zimekaa.
So, but we need to make money out of them.
That's the reason. It's our selfish needs.
Because they are kept there for
our own.
It's an economic activity.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but we feed them also.
Sasa huko nje wanakula.
And we take them for walks.
Wamasai Mara wanatembea. Nani anapeleka elephant walk? Nilikuwa naona by the way elephant alikuwa anatengenezwa makucha, vidole. Vya mguu alikuwa I think sijui, I don't know what they were doing.
Wonders of Bethlehem. Can you see the view, guys? It's a very nice place. Like, oh yeah. So this park. It's like an hour. It's an hour from Melbourne City, and it's a really nice place. Look at the view. You can see the Sunbury over there. The city. The city is not visible. I don't think so. The parking lot over there. We left the car down there. Got someone's house. A very big house over here. Yeah. Ooh. It looks like we're going is very far. We are heading to. I'm tired, guys. What about you? How do you feel?
Anyway, shock.
Because you won Chep Condol. You know these shoes.
I love my shoes. I didn't know.
You didn't know, yeah.
Plus, nimeanza to feel like something is
Something is what?
Stitch ina kwa tumbo.
Oh yeah. Probably because you've worked for a long time. It has ever happened to me a long time ago.
So
when I was in cross country, did you guys went for cross country?
Hapana, mimi sikuwa nafanya sports, kifua yangu ilikuwa inaniuma. Sikuwa nakimbia.
Oh yeah, look at that view. It's a really nice place, guys.
Watu wanapiga sherehe huko.
Yeah. I can zoom it for you guys. You see? It's a very nice place to be. You see that? The view is really nice. It's viewing. Yeah, it's a holiday. It's a holiday. It's a holiday. Oh.
Ndio ile Aboriginal. Hapana, ni basketball. I thought it's Aboriginal colors. But it's actually Aboriginal colors.
Can
we sit down kidogo?
It's a really nice place. Yeah, we have to sit down because we are tired. Even me, I'm tired. Oh, I can zoom it for you guys so I can see it correctly. You can watch it. Oh. Yeah. Look at that. A really nice view of it. Oh, yeah. And the other side also. Can you see that? I think this is the end of this park. Probably. Can you see the view? It's a really nice nature walk. A very nice one. Whoa, lo. It's a holiday. Oh. Can we go back Magariot?
Hapana, tuende hivi mbele kidogo.
All right. Okay. Let's go.
Thank God for mercy. Thank God for grace. Angles we overcome. Plenty ways to making me free.
Mpenzi leo naenda safari. Safari na niamba. Oh.
Iko tu kwao.
Dogs will hit us today,
Usipige
guys.
kelele. It's just scared.
So guys, the homeboys are homeboarding there. They were causing some disruptions, but in every park there is a children's playground, and we have some chesimos over there, and chesimos and what? Yeah, look at that view. It's a very nice one, a clear one and a nice one. Yeah, so look at that one. A really nice place to be. A hill on the valley, the hill on the valley, the valley on the hill, yeah. So also, in every park, there is a tap of water. So in case you're thirsty or anything, you can drink some water here, from here directly this way. Can you see that? So I can be drinking water this way. Or you refill your tap from there. Yep. You can refill your bottle if you have water. Yeah. Or you need to wash your hands. How is that? Is it nice?
Jana nimeona hiyo speech ya Sudi alikuwa anaongelea
So in every park there is a bed and seats and some chesimo. You see that one? Yeah, that's a chesimo. It's for kids to play. So the kids come here and they enjoy life. They get to jump on the chesimo. They swing. They run over there. They enjoy. And there's a bird here which is enjoying his life. Let me zoom it for you guys. Can you see him? Yeah, there you go. So my mpoa is here enjoying the chesimo. I can see him.
Don't guy.
I want to see.
I don't like these feelings.
You don't like chesimo?
Inanizungusha in the air.
I wanted to push you, but yeah.
No way.
So yeah, I don't know what if I fall down. Woo, guys! I didn't know this feeling is very good this way until I fall down. Can you see me, guys? And it, oh yeah. Yep. All right. So these are bottle brush. These are chebundugi, pinus. I see pinus, pine. Pinus ni kama ni pipe. Oh yeah. Oh, it's mine. Naweza kaa hivyo na baiskeli imekatika break. Bottle brush. This is what is this? Is it blue gum? Something like blue gum, and yeah, but it's not growing taller than the ones in Kenya. This is a bottle brush.
Bottle brush huku inanona chini inakuwa
yeah, it's not normal. Like I think they don't.
Hawaja prune, so tuna pruning ndo ziende juu.
Yeah, we control them on how they should grow because they are used as fence, not trees.
But they are cute kukaa hivi.
Yeah, you can see the green the environment is. They are very mrembo. Look at that view.
Nyasi huku ni sura mbaya.
The nyasi ya pararadas hell.
Ni jua. Joto.
And
Summer.
But they say the higher you go, the cooler it becomes. And they are on top of a mountain.
Kuna mountain.
Is it a hill? What's the difference between a hill and a mountain?
Mountain ni kubwa.
Mountain is Kilimanjaro and hill is which? Cherangani Hill? Dalat Hill. I told you this way was coming this way.
Hapana, but ni kwa watu.
Oh yeah. Sunbury running close.
Jackson's Creek Trail.
Look at that view. Look at that view, guys.
Hapa baiskeli kikuja sinapita na mtu.
Oh, my stomach is full. Look at the quendet. The quendet is very dry. It's ready for making maca. Very dry. Very many trees over there. This park is a very big. It's a very big park. A very big park.
Stand out.
All right, guys. See you in our next video. We are tired and we want to run a little bit, so it will be hard. Yep. So yeah, I'll write in the definition of this video the name of the park. Then we will see you another day. Share, like, comment. See you. Peace.